Small little update, some changes I made on the build, and I have some better lighting for you. This is sunlight, so you can get a better visual. Okay, real quick, if you guys remember, there used to be a cable here that you could see. What I did is I ran the cable from here and through the back.
No, not for you.
So you don't see that cable anymore. Another thing that I did, you can see them here, I installed some cable combs. Got a couple of those, so I installed those. You can barely see it as well, but you can see that little, let's see, right there, that's the connector for the fans. I braided that. In the background you may not be able to tell the color, but I was also able to change the color of the LED for the H100i. It's now red. For that I had to connect the Corsair link just for the purpose of setting the color, and then I disconnected that. I don't like the Corsair link, so I removed that. Then another thing that I did here, which I saw on Linus Tech Tips, is I took the covers from the memory where the light bar goes, and I painted those red with Plasti Dip. The first time I painted them black, and they came out okay, even for someone that's horrible at painting like me, but I didn't think they stood out enough, so I went back and I painted those red, added about 4 coats or so, and then let it set overnight. I think it looks pretty good. And I think that's pretty much it. Again, hopefully this will give you guys a better view of the build. It's looking cleaner and cleaner. Right? Let me hide this cable. There we go. Pardon the flies, I had to open the door to let the sunlight in, of course, and that's what happens. Here's the back. So again, all the ports are covered with dust covers except for the ports that are in use, and I don't use the antenna for the AC. If you're gaming, you gotta go wired all the time. The color, again, it's red and black, but the video tends to make it look orange instead. I'm trying to think of anything else that I might have done that might interest some of you to make it clean. Sorry, I got a call just as I was talking there. So what I was finishing off was I got rid of the 5.5 bay or 5 1/4 bay. I don't use that. I don't have an optical drive. If I did, I'd prefer to use a slim drive, but anyways, I thought it gives you more visual by getting rid of the bay. Alright, have any questions? Post them. Thanks, bye.